flood in there. There's a lot of water. And that's no good. It was raining pretty heavily today and the day before yesterday. So luckily it's not raining anymore. So I can go out and do this. It's a good thing I wasn't going too fast, and I got the reaction time of a lion. But now I have the sun in my eyes. Maybe I should go back the way I came from. Ugh. No, yeah, I'm gonna do that. Wait, should I? The situation got a lot more complicated because of that. Yeah, I'm gonna turn around. I'm gonna do a quick 180, turn around. It's not gonna be quick though, because as you might be able to see, it's been a while since I practiced my slow driving abilities, and I had to do a 3-point turn. Or was it a 2-point turn? Let's see if this guy catches it. He didn't see it as early as I did. Oh, he drove through it. Oh my god. I wonder if he crashed. And this guy, he caught it. He caught it just in time. I think that guy had a close escape. And now he's talking to that guy about what's gonna happen. But I'm chilling. I'm going another way. I didn't need to go there. No, I've said it before. F1, you should pick me up because I got the elite reaction times, and I just demonstrated that I had those times. I saw an obstacle, boom, hit the brakes, turn. That other guy, he just whoop, swerved around. He wasn't as cool as I was. And this is a cool car. It looks like a pretty cool car. I wonder if that's one of those A-tractors. Yep, it was. A-tractor. Or EPA. I call them apes. Because, you know, they're like monkeys. They're not really like monkeys, but, you know, ape. It's a fun word, ape. So I say that's an ape. I wish there was a way of, you know, being able to warn those guys what was happening up there. But I can't do that. It's not like I'm gonna be like, stop and tell them. Because I don't have the time to do that. What I do have the time. I just don't have the energy. And you can go ahead and call me a rude bastard for not warning people about things. But you know, no one warned me. So why should I warn them? Now I'm starting to sound like one of those evil people. I wonder if it's nice to swim in this little lake here. It's a pretty nice lake. It's a pretty nice place here. Now the sun is behind the clouds. But hopefully it doesn't stay that way for too long. Because that would be boring. Yeah, the Volvo guy, he was smart like me. He turned around. But that other guy, he wasn't as smart. Now the sun is out again. But I'm not gonna complain about it, because I just said that I hope it doesn't stay that way for a long time. So I'm not gonna complain that the sun is in my eye, because I asked for it. Pretty much. The horse, it looks like the horse is running. I wonder what happened to little Otto. There used to be a sign around here that said Otto is playing here. Yeah, Dick Thomas. Hey, maybe I should buy that yard there and build a big house. Nice house. That would be pretty cool. I wonder how. I'm gonna check how much that cost, because I think I remember where it was for sale. But now I'm gonna go straight forward. No cars. You always have to make sure to see that there's no cars coming, as I did right there. I could have checked 2 times, but I checked like 5 times. I wanted to be sure, because I didn't want to get hit by someone.